Not like that, like down enough. That whole sand shot. There we go. You put it. What do you think about it here?
I think it's good.
Put it right in here.
But see, that's the thing. You don't want it up. You don't want it even like this.
Yeah.
You actually put it right here.
Yeah.
You actually want it where it's right at the top of that brick.
That chamfer.
And even if it's under a little bit, you don't want it too much because then it's going to allow. I mean, obviously water's going to get in there, but the problem with it being up too high, then it gets kicked up. You kick it and then it brings it up.
Yeah.
That's why
This right here is perfect. Right
actually,
there.
that's too much.
Let's try that chamfer though.
It don't matter because that's what you see how I move it when I flip it going over that. Because that's why you want them tight. You really don't want them. Like a big old river slam. But when we went in a circle, that's why you have to make room. This is what you don't like. See, this is where the fire is. Right here, when they break it down, you got to really like that off there.
Yeah.
It's hard to get it off there without moving it. And then I'll do.
I think that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm trying to get away from that. No?
Looks good. Come on now.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, it's good circles. Not easy to do. At all. Like, once you have to go in a circle.
I've noticed that.
Hey, that's not real good.
It would look good. It's better than all the green moss in it.
Yeah. Think we're ready for this on now?
I hope so. Over here.
That's good. Let's see what that does.
You got two here, still.
Yeah.
1, 2. We might have enough.
I think. That's it, man.
Make you feel a little better.
Yeah. Yeah. That could be big after we
They were pretty big gas over here. That's a dump.
I'll keep a little bit of this up here in case we need to move it down. We should be good, huh?
I'm like, I think we're going to be good. I think 4 bags might have been enough. It would have been close. Rather be safe than.
Yeah.
Damn, that sucks. We got great white things right there. Well, we could put it down here. We couldn't see it as much.
What's that bunch up here, you know? I get 4.
I think we're going to be fine. Yeah, we're going to be fine. I think we would have been fine.
Mr. Producer, edit all the. You don't know, shit, get out.
No, that's part of it. That's part of it, dude. Right?
Yeah.
You never know.
So my mad math
Was right.
Was right. We can still actually off. I think I need 4 bags.
Yep. We're going to pick up some in. Yeah, we've been fine, I think, 4 bags. Because we didn't use that much out of it.
No, I
And we're going to have a bag picking back up here.
put something in up here. One.
Second coat of bleach. Huh? Third coat.
Two.
Oh yeah, yeah. Then you're right. I think I might have somebody buying that machine. I got to figure out. I got to send him an email.
Really?
Yeah. I will have to put a soft wash system on it.
Oh yeah.
So that'd be $14,250.
So is he gonna? So he's not buying the whole package?
He's not gonna buy the marketing package of it now.
Who? Benjamin?
No, not Benjamin. Another dude. He's trying to get credit through PayPal, so I got to figure out how to do that.
He's trying to?
He's trying to. He asked if I accepted it. I'm like, I don't know. I haven't checked into it.